In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the portfolio view in Jira Premium. To get started, sign into Jira Premium and head to the top navigation menu. From there, open Plans, which is the area where you can build and manage your portfolio view. Once you're there, click Create Plan. This is the starting point for setting up a high-level view of your work across teams and projects. Next, create your new plan by entering a clear plan name. Choose something descriptive so it's easy to identify later, especially if your organization manages multiple plans. After naming the plan, select the work sources you want to pull from. Jira lets you build a plan using boards, projects, or filters, depending on how your work is currently organized. Then choose the teams and issues you want to include. This helps make sure your plan reflects the right work and the right people from the beginning. Once the plan is created, start adding your work items. You can include Jira items like epics, stories, and tasks. As you do this, organize them into a hierarchy such as initiative, epic, and story. This structure is important because it makes the plan easier to read and helps you understand how day-to-day work connects to larger business goals. After your items are in place, move to the roadmap view by using the timeline. This is where the portfolio view becomes especially useful. You'll be able to see start dates, due dates, dependencies, and overall progress in one place. This makes it much easier to spot timing issues, understand what's moving forward, and get a quick sense of how different pieces of work relate to each other. From there, open the Teams section to manage team capacity. Add team members, then review workload and availability. This gives you a better view of whether work is distributed realistically. If a team looks overloaded, adjust assignments so the plan remains achievable and balanced. You can also track dependencies directly in the plan. Select an issue, then add links between related pieces of work. This helps you identify blockers and scheduling conflicts early before they create bigger delivery problems later on. As work progresses, keep the plan updated. Review issue status directly from the plan and make adjustments to dates, priorities, assignments, or scope as needed. Keeping this information current makes the roadmap far more useful for decision-making. Finally, share the plan during roadmap meetings, sprint planning sessions, and stakeholder updates. Used this way, the portfolio view becomes a practical tool for visibility, alignment,